Hi all. Today we are going to see the topics about inheritance and polymorphism. And what is inheritance? Java inheritance is an important pillar of OOPS. It is a mechanism in Java by which one class is allowed to inherit the features of another class. In Java, inheritance means creating new classes based on existing ones. A class that inherits from another class can reuse the methods and fields of that class. In addition, you can add new fields and methods to your current class as well. Why do we need Java inheritance? Inheritance is a key feature of OOP, allowing you to create flexible and reusable code. Understanding how to implement it effectively can greatly improve the structure of your programs. The Java programming course provides real world examples to help you see how inheritance plays out in large scale Java applications. Code reusability. The code written in the superclass is common to all subclasses. Child classes can directly use the parent class code. Method overriding. Method overriding is achievable only through inheritance. It is one of the ways by which Java achieves runtime polymorphism. Abstraction. The concept of abstract, where we do not have to provide all details, is achieved through inheritance. Abstraction only shows the functionality to the users. Important terminologies used in Java inheritance. Class. Class is a set of objects which shares common characteristics, behavior and common properties or attributes. Class is not a real world entity. It is just a template or blueprint or prototype from which objects are created. Superclass or parent class. The class whose features are inherited is known as the superclass or a base class or a parent class. Subclass or child class. The class that inherits the other class is known as the subclass or a derived class, extended class or child class. The subclass can add its own fields and methods in addition to the superclass fields and methods. Reusability. Inheritance supports the concept of reusability. That is, when we want to create a new class and there is already a class that includes some of the code that we want, we can derive our new class from the existing ones. By doing this, we are reusing the fields and methods of the existing class. Java inheritance. In Java, it is possible to inherit attributes and methods from one class to another. We group the inheritance concept into two categories: subclass, superclass. Subclass is child class, the class then inheritance from other class. Superclass. Superclass is the class being inherited from. To inherit from a class, use the extends keyword. In the example below, the car class inherits the attributes and methods from the vehicle class. So there is a class name, it's vehicle. It is the protected string brand equal to Ford, and void honk is a public void honk. Honk is the method, and output of this method is this one. And we can extend the car class from the vehicle. So private string model name equal to Mustang. That model name is equal to Mustang. So the voice public static void main string arguments. Car, my first car, we can create the new objects. My first car dot honk. So system dot print out dot println. Here we can inherit the car class from the vehicle class. So this is the output of this particular program. Did you notice the protected modifier in vehicle? We set the brand attribute in vehicle to a protected access modifier. If it was set to private, the car class would not be able to access it. Why and when to use inheritance? It is useful for code reusability, reuse attributes and methods of an existing class when you create a new class. The final keyword. If you don't want other class to inherit from a class, use the final keyword. If we use the final keyword before the class, we can't extend that particular class. We can't extend any other subclass from that particular class. This is the final keyword. So this is the inheritance topic. Let me give the one recap for inheritance topic. First we saw what is inheritance, and second we saw why do we need Java inheritance. Then third, important, what are the technologies used in Java inheritance, and we'll saw the sample program for Java inheritance, and finally the outcome of that program. Thank you.